YouTube, it's the Buffalo Perch Killer, and I am headed to the Fishing Expo in Niagara Falls. So we figure out how to get in here. Let's see what's going on. It's something so similar to it. There it is, guys, the Fishing Expo. The Buffalo Perch Killer, and I just purchased a brand new Shimano clearish pole. This is 11 foot 3-inch pole. Beautiful. You'll see it. YouTube, Buffalo Perch Killer. 11 foot 3 Claris. It's a grown man's pole. Kiddies don't know nothing about this. Alright, hit that button. YouTube, Buffalo Perch Killer. We're at the Fishing Expo 2020. We're gonna walk through, we're gonna check it out. Woo, I see that, right? Here's from that way.
You can see the outline of it. So that's going down the water just like that. All of a sudden you start going backwards, and you just twist it.
Very well.
Especially given the yeah, we'll bring the grip boat up there. And there again, I'm going a lot of fish up here that actually fit.
How you like me now?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
How you like me now?
There you go, buddy. I think you need a new hat. Want a hat?
Oh yeah.
I'm getting tired of this.
YouTube, Shimano, that's what I got.
There you go. I was going to say, there's one right there, but as you say.
Yo,
There you go.
thank you, sir. See what being a handsome guy gets you? Thank you, brother.
Oh, no problem. I didn't even sign it for you either. Makes it worth more.
Uh-oh.
Where you fish from?
I fish on the other side of Rochester.
I got the Shimano hat.
Yeah. So he's got them at the shop, so I gotta go see him in that.
All right, good.
I was gonna order one from over there and get the reel at the same time, but Bob says Steve says he'll take care. We're gonna. Thanks anyway, John. Appreciate it.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest.
Yes, sir.
What are your videos under?
The Buffalo Perch Killer. another pole. What is that? Duck? Or is it?
Yeah,
got the right one. Oh, I don't think this is you. This guy's a lot better looking than you are. Hey, you gotta wait for the ads. You got ads on yours. There you are, right? That's you right there, right?
I'm everywhere.
Awesome. Hello, guys.
Fish everywhere. This pole's going to be featured on my next couple videos. You guys have a great day.
Thanks, I'll watch it.
Oh, I'm ready to get out of here.
Once I got to it.
I love fishing so much it's indescribable. One look at me, bruh, it's undeniable. I got a file full of fish pics for days. On my page, all you gotta do is search Adam J. Getting paid while I sit back and slay these fish on waves and ships. And I ain't getting paid in tips. I'm paid to flip the script, writing pages in my book about the line and the hook and the bait getting took. On the lookout for snook or trout or any species. To catch bait is easy, using sabikis. Believe me, nothing as pleasing as fishing. If you ain't try to trick, you really don't know what you're missing. Got me itching, rod twitching, got me fiending for the bite. All I hear is real screaming. When I'm dreaming at night, I'll be feeling alright till the end of my time. As long as I got something on the other end of my line. I love fishing. I can't say it enough, I'm never giving it up. I just love it so much. I love fishing. Man, I love fishing. That's just what I do. I can't say it enough, I'm never giving it up. I just love it so much. I love fishing. Man, I love fishing. That's just what I do. See, everything about fishing is great. The word hate don't even correlate with dropping bait. I can't wait to get my bucket list of fish caught and kissed, then released into a watery mist. I'm in bliss when the big fish is landed. It feels outstanding. The sounds and sights of being outside standing under the stars, no cars or traffic lights. The sound a wave makes when it breaks makes for magic nights. I've been in nasty fights with hard hitters, and I'm ready for whenever that alligator guard or shark visits. I'm a shark wizard. I catch the biggest and the baddest, release the beast, watch them disappear like magic. I gotta have it, a reeling them up. I gotta have it, the feeling is love. A reel is a must have with mustard. I just ask for what I need. It's likely a circle hook, and look, it ain't size 3. I can't say it enough, I'm never giving it up. I just love it so much. I love fishing. Man, I love fishing. That's just what I do. I can't say it enough, I'm never giving it up. I just love it so much. I love fishing. Man, I love fishing. That's just what I do. I'm a beast on the sea, on a beach, on a pond. The Don Juan, the prawn. Me and fish just get along. I'm about to get up at dawn, cause that's when the fish feed. I love it when my spinning reel spins like frisbees. I love it when I'm fishing in a feeding frenzy. And I love to pass the rod off, I ain't stingy. Love to see a king reach when I'm trolling the sea. I love it when I'm fishing and my friends are rolling with me. I love holding the seat on my rod, hand on my reel, finger on the line, cause I love the way the bite feels. I got love for fresh and salt water, even brackish. The only thing I don't love is a backlash. I love saying it's my last cast, but I was lying, cause you all know that we all love to keep trying. Nobody wants to go home when the fishing is hot. I love fish, I love fishing, I love fishing a lot. Can't say it enough, I'm never giving it up. I just love it so much. I love fishing. Man, I love fishing. I can't say it enough, I'm never giving it up. I just love it so much. I love fishing. Man, I love fishing. That's just what I do.
You're asking me to get a
I can't say it enough, I'm never giving it up. I just love it so much. I love fishing. Man, I love fishing. That's just what I do.
And your name again, that's who? YouTube. Buffalo Perch Killer here with Bailey. subscribe. We're at the Fishing Expo. Get all the good stuff here. For all you kayak fishermen, there you go. They got kayaks galore. Yes, there he is, the man. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Not usually. Usually if I'm not on
I see them perch. You see them perch. YouTube, it's the Buffalo Perch Killer, and I am here with Captain
Steve Smith.
And where are you from, Steve?
Point Breeze, Orleans County, Lake Ontario, salmon and trout fishing.
Salmon and trout. He's the guy. You're going to see me on this boat soon. You guys keep watching. We're at the Expo 2020. And so you mainly fish for
trout, salmon, lake trout.
How can they get in contact with you?
585-590-1729.
You are the man. There you go, YouTube. You've seen it.
Stop saying you. You're best.
I thought I recognized you from your post on one of your wives. Then I see you with the rock. You want a beer, man?
Hey, we'll be talking. Yes, sir.
Hey, good luck. Keep good.
I got some footage on here.
Nice. Awesome. Thank you.
What'd you guys get?
Oh, Darnell got this one. Yeah, I got that too. Darnell bought this. No, I bought this one.
Riverside, yeah, I got that.
Yeah,
Wait, what is that? What did he get?
he got everything fucking nice ones. That,
Yeah, he got the nice one. Baby.
that's what he paid for.
How much? Who? 70? Yeah, that's a steal. It's almost a $200 pole.
But they were willing to give.
Yeah, first he wouldn't sell me the rug.
Why not?
Because he said it was, Puma, they were just reps.
Yeah, they wouldn't sell me one.
Yeah. Then he said, walk through, nobody had them. He said, well, man, come on. He sold it to me. That's how much he said.
No, I'm saying Riverside.
He said, $600 clear. How much $100?
100? Damn, I paid only 50 for that one.
That Riverside is easily made. Those nice poles, I got that one.
Yeah. How are they for X?
I paid $70 for this.
Is that right? Yes, sir. How y'all doing? Y'all good? How long you just got up?
Oh no, man, we've been here for a while. We actually gonna get a bite to eat, but we're gonna head back.
Oh, okay. They got, what y'all going to get?
I seen somebody with a roast beef sandwich.
Yeah, right there. They real good. They got some roast beef and some, they got a lot of stuff. It's pretty reasonable too.
Yeah.
Is that breaking too? Four.
Yeah.
Why you carrying it out like that?
I would just love to hold it like this.
Make people get out of your way.
Yeah, it's a little street sweeper. No, but I don't know, man. I'd love the feel of it. I've been holding it ever since I bought it.
You steal that right now or what?
I am the perch killer, Buffalo. YouTube, just getting home from the 2020 Niagara Expo. I know you guys see me purchase this new 13-foot, this 11'6" Shimano Claris. Got the new Shimano hat. Thank you to all the guys out at the Douglas pole place, Okuma, Dawa, and everybody else that we spoke to. It was a great event. It was a little blistery outside, but great event. I'd like to say, give a special shout out to Congo Charters out of Dunkirk. We're going to be looking for you, brother, this spring. We're coming to get on the boat with you guys. We're coming to try to charter with these guys right here. Times 2. We're going to try to get with those guys. I'd like to give a special shout out to Rocky Stewart and Akuma. We'll give another shout out to Jesse Clayton and Douglas. These are some of the things that I bought today. Got the nice rod huggers. Got some salmon stuff. Got some ice fishing stuff. Got some perch stuff. Slip bobber stuff. But the thing that I like the most is that Shimano pole. It's a 4-piece, 11-foot pole. It's the pole I'm going to use to travel with. Get a nice little travel case with it. Be able to throw it on the airplane and go ahead and do what we got to do. But the 2020 Expo was a success. Really enjoyed it. If you guys got a chance, you want to get out there tomorrow, talk to Rocky from Akuma, talk to Jesse from Douglas, talk to the guys out at Dawa. Go over there and give a holler to Hawk at Captain Bob's. Give a holler to Gerald out at Outcast. Another holler out to David out at SoCo Baits. The guys are there, man. We're not going to forget about Hillbilly Hooker Sport and Fishing Charter. Can't forget about those guys. All right, it's the Buffalo Perch Killer, and I am out.